Let me know, you can share my screen, right? So we have done the types of internal tables. And system variables, very important system variables are, right? We have done S5 DBCNT, S5 tab IX, S5 CBA, sub RC. You see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of each of this one? What is the purpose of DBCNT? What is the use of this variable?
To store the database records.
It's not like to store. We can say the good terminology is it gives the number of records
Yeah.
fetched from the database.
Count the process lanes.
Count the number of records fetched from the database. Right here, this is our web program here. Here our SAP database. What is the tab X?
It returns the index of the row.
Index of the row from where? From where?
Table.
Which table? Database table or internal table?
Read table. Database table.
Internal table. Give the current record we are processing of the internal table. This is not a database variable. Like for example, you make it here. Read table IT underscore Mora into work area underscore Mora. Index 5, for example. Now the tab X become 5 because fifth record is going to read this one. Get the point here concept?
Yes.
Here, plus 5 tab X times 5. Suppose you are reading the record, read table IT underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara with key made 500. Okay. And assume that material data is material. Remember, raw material number 01 is material number 200, finished material 0 is material number 500. Think of if you apply M600 finished material group is 01, units of measure is kg, for example. Okay. Suppose if you apply this statement, read statement, if you apply, think of what will be the tab X, SY tab X. If you apply this one, what read is you are searching the internal table with material number is equal to M500. So this will become first of all success or failure. This read statement will success or failure.
It will get success.
Success. So then what would be the SY tab X?
3 M500.
Correct, because third push.
Yeah.
What will become your SY subversive value after this statement? After this statement?
0.
0. Right? Because why 0?
The executor table true.
True means it has found the record.
Yeah.
Right? Suppose if I give M900, what will happen? The SY subversive becomes what?
It won't be 0. It will be 1.
Non-zero.
Non-zero.
Non-zero is failure. SY subversive becomes it failed. Means the statement failed to get a record from internal table to work area. Got the point, right? This is a powerful internal variable which holds success or failure for both database statements and ABAP statements, both. Right? Got the point? Suppose in this case, what will be the tab X? Suppose if it is failed, in this case, what will be having the tab X value? Think 1 minute. What could be this value? If the selected read statement is failed, if the read statement will fail, tab X will be, it will no effect on the tab X. Okay, I'll write here. If read statement fails, there is no impact on tab X value. SY tab X value. It has the value of what it was there before the if statement. For the point, whatever the old value is there, the same value will be there. Okay. Now, any question here?
So it will be like 0 or what, sir?
It may not be 0 because before this statement, if there is any append or anything has happened, for area underscore Mara to IT underscore Mara. Suppose if you have this statement, in this case, your tab X will become 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Why? Because fourth record you are doing. So the 4 only will be there here. You got the point here. Here, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 records means how many times you have been done for append statement?
4 times.
4 times. Every append, suppose append work area underscore Mara to IT underscore Mara. First append, right? This will become SY apex 1. Got the point? Second append, work area underscore Mara to IT underscore Mara. This times becomes 2. Got the point? Here. Because second record you are inserting. It will give the current processing record number, position number. So this is the internal table. Internal table operations is one is append. The second one is insert. So these two statements are to insert the record. Think of what could be the difference between the append and insert. Think of what could be the difference between append and insert. You can ask ChatGPT also.
Append will add the data in the last.
Correct. Correct. Whereas insert will be
For the given index number.
correct at the position. Yes,
Specific number.
Specific row position you can get that one. Insert. These two statements for inserting the data into the internal table. And what is the other method to insert the data into the internal table? One more method is there. Very important concept. Without that, no SAP ABAP. How do you insert the data into the internal table? Two you know already, append, insert. You know third one also already. What is the third result? Listen very carefully my word. Every word is important. How do you insert the data into the internal table? Or how do you populate the data into the internal tables? There are three methods generally. One is append, other one is insert. What is the third method? How do you populate the data into the internal table? This question understood clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Question clear, right?
Yeah.
What I'm asking, how do you insert the data?
Collect.
Collect is different. Collect is a summary. Collect is one, but not that much important. One more, very important. Already you know, right? We have done already. Think 1 minute. Open the old programs of SAP. What you have done already. Open internal tables program. Without those, no IT industry. Not only ABAP.
Populate.
Hmm?
Populate.
Populate is just word, right? Populate means how do you insert the data? How do you data will be filled into the internal table?
Or select into.
Correct. Without that, no IT industry. Leave about SAP. Right? So these select statements, they IT industry at all. Every day you see the select statements on all the reports, bank statements, right? financial statements, everything is report only. Everything is data select statements only. Searching bus, train, flight, everything is select statements only, internal concept. Can you imagine, right? Hello? I
Yes.
showed already KSRTC bus. Whenever you are searching the bus from Bangalore to Hyderabad, what is the backend concept? Select statement only, right? Okay. These are the insert concept, internal table data insert. What is the other things that you can do on the internal table operations? This is for all data insert concept. This all these things. Data insert. What are the other things you know on the internal table? What are the other topics we have done on the internal table? Other than the inserting, what you have done? What we are doing here?
Reading the table.
So what is the meaning of reading?
Fetching the data.
Fetching the data from where?
From a work area to internal table.
No, other way, right? Internal table to work area.
Internal table.
Read. See the arrow direction. And what are the other statements you know? Rather than the read, what are the other statements you applied in the internal table till now? Suppose you are having 10 records in the internal table. How do you print all the 10 records? Using which concept you apply?
Right.
Write is for display. But 10 records, if you want to display, how do you write? We don't write 10 times write statement, right? What do you do? Open your programs, internal table programs already. What do you have done? Question understood or not? There are 10 records in the IT underscore Mara. How do you display 10 records?
Looping. Loop
Yes,
at
correct. Loop. Loop. To get one record from internal table to work area. This is to process all the records. Okay, write one program quickly. Program name you can write as internal table operations. Program name should be internal table operations. Okay. Write the select statement. Select statement to get 10 records from the database table. Try yourself. I'll be wait for 2 minutes. Write one select statement. So that you should get only 10 records only. Let's select star from Mara into table IT underscore Mara up to 10 rows. Write that statement. Write what you write. Select star from Mara into table IT underscore Mara up to 10 rows. Is correct this statement?
We have to declare that data.
So how do you declare that? Data IT underscore
Data IT underscore Mara type of type table of names.
what is this data statement?
We are declaring internal table.
Internal table. What is type table of is internal table? What type of internal standard, sorted, or hashed?
Standard
Default internal table is
default. Standard table.
now 10 rows means 10 records will come. Okay. If you want 10 records to print, what you should do? If you want to print 10 records, what do you do? Look at IT underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara. And look. Now why this error is coming? Do it parallelly, or both of you.
Right, colon is there, no? Semicolon
Uh,
is there.
uh,
Line number 14. Right, semicolon is there.
Still one more error is there. Why this error is coming? Do it parallelly, both of you.
Work area.
Huh?
We didn't declare work area.
Correct, correct. So where I should declare?
Below IT Mara table time.
Okay. So I'll go to here. Area underscore Mara. Right. What I should give here?
Type Mara.
Why this error is coming? Spelling mistake, right? Now how many times the loop will execute?
10.
10 times. Why 10?
Declare 10 rows.
Hmm?
We declare 10 rows.
Yes. Now do this and tell me what is going to print. Execute quickly. Now should be very fast, active, concentration. All.
Current record is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm?
Correct record number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
So because tab X means every time the record position will display, right? We put a breakpoint here, stop here, execute. right? Here. What is the tab X currently? 1. Right? First record you are processing here. Sorry. I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute. Okay. F6. Right? Tab X is 1 because first record you are processing now here. Next, what will become a SPY tab X after line number 14? Now control is line number 14. Now. After 14 is executed, what will happen? For tab X, for this field, this variable, what is going to become? One loop is executed already one time. Second time is executing. Second time is what is going to become tab X?
2.
2 because second record. Correct. That's all. See 2 here. Next. This is standard code. Don't go to here. Go to here. Second record. Next. Control is at line number 14 again. Now after this line number 14, what will become?
3.
3 because third record is going to process. Like that up to how many it will come?
Oh,
Okay, now I'll introduce one more concept here. There is a watch point here. Watch point means you can stop at particular value. Now 5 is going on, right? I want stop when 10 comes. Click on watch point. Go to here. Do SY tab X, variable name. Here give the value. Equal to 10. Means you are saying that control to stop at when tab X is reached to 10. Press enter here. Right? Now I click on this one. What is the meaning of this fourth button? F8.
continue to end.
Hmm?
Till end.
Hmm?
It will go to end directly.
End means it comes out of the program.
Stop point.
It will comes out of the program.
Yes.
Now I'll click on this one. Now what is the iteration number? See here. What is the iteration? 5. Now if I click on 8, click this button. Do you see now watch point is reached here?
Yes.
You see the message here below left side, my screen. Hello?
Yes. Sir.
So what is the meaning of that? The control has been reached what value you have set. Means 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 it won't show to you. It has triggered automatically internally. Now 10th record is processing. Okay, now for example, now think 1 minute. What will be the 18 output? Line number 18. Don't execute but think.
10. After putting the watch point.
Correct, right? Because 10th record is processed recently, right? Huh? No, this I think it is a resetting, not 10 after the loop. Suppose we have here read table IT underscore into work area underscore index 12. Now what will become this line number 8? True or false? Line number 18. 18.
False.
False, right? So no tab X will be still is 0 because it's failed. It is, of course, it's not related to SY sub RC. SY sub RC will also will be failed here. Now here, right? Try to delete one record. Loop should execute only 9 times. Or otherwise, delete one record from the internal table. Please be careful. Don't delete on Mara table. Okay, na? Just before applying, tell me the code. You try yourself this one. Don't write the code. Ask ChatGPT or Explore how to delete a record from the internal table. You want to delete only the one record. Any record, one record. Ask ChatGPT or Explore how to delete the record from the internal table. How to delete a record from the internal table. Not database table.
Delete IT underscore Mara. Index 10.
Index 10. Index 10 means
And then
10 records or 10th record?
10th.
10th record, right? Apply this one, no problem now. But don't give here Mara, all records will be gone. A big problem in the server. Now, how many times the loop will execute? If you execute, right, this one. Loop, how many times will execute?
9 times.
9 times. Now, if you execute this one, what will happen? Line number 16, 17. No comment. I just press F1 here to get a documentation. delete IT underscore Mara index.
No, sir. Delete IT underscore Mara 5 to 10. No index and all.
Right, it's working, huh?
From 5 to 10.
From
Delete IT underscore Mara from 5 to 10.
good, very good. Good, nice. Thank you. So now from 5th position to 10th position records will be deleted.
Yes.
Right. So only records will be four records. Right. You can check it this one. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. IT underscore more. Right. Now this select statement is executed. Right. Now only 4 records. All 5 to 10 is gone now. Only 4 records. Now think of what will happen this one if you operate this statement inside the loop. Okay, just keep this statement. Delete IT underscore Mara.
Current record number is 122.
Right. So if you execute here, put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Now IT underscore Mara is having 4 records because you are declared already. Now delete IT underscore Mara. Right. See what is going to happen. So what is that, right? It will take internally the index number here now. SY tab X takes as index number. So one record will be deleted. See, only 3 records now. And F7. Now where is the control? It will print here. Now where is my control? Line number 21. Okay. Now think of what will be the record you will delete. One more record will delete. Right. See now 2. Now what will happen? One more record will delete. Index will take automatically. Inside the loop, you don't need to pass the index number. Based on the SY tab X, it takes. Now think of if you execute this one now, how many times the loop will execute? Or if I put a comment of this 21 now, how many times the loop will execute? Twenty to 24 statement. This loop how many times will execute?
It's loading, sir.
Don't execute, just check it the code.
I've already executed. It is going on to infinity loop something.
Oh, infinite loop, right? Why? Why infinite loop will go? What you should do is again you log in through the SAP logon pad. And this time, right, you put a breakpoint at line number 20 loop statement and try to analyze what is happening, why it is going to infinite loop.
I got the error. Other front end error. This source.
Open
No
again
more
program
memory
open.
available to add rows as internal table.
Open a program and put a breakpoint with this loop statement and try to analyze why it is going to infinity.
On append statement.
Huh?
Breakpoint on append statement.
Put a breakpoint here, line number 20, 20. 20 analyze from here to here. Do F6, not F5. Put a breakpoint here. Because F5, if you do right, it go to a SAP code. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. Okay, to analyze this code, you see this code, this button, and check internal table data and work area in the right side. Double click, it comes to here.
It's showing SY tab X5.
Hmm?
SY sub RC is 0 and SY tab X5.
No, what you should analyze is why this infinite loop is happening. You should analyze the code only from this 20 to 24 statement in the debugger. What is happening?
Append add new records.
Correct. So append will be going on adding the records, right?
Again and again.
Again and again. So the loop will never end. Here. Right? Fourth record now. Right? Append, because append record number 5. Again append. Right? Sixth, like that is going on adding. And you are looping. It will never end. Okay, I'll give 5 minutes time. Try to finalize what the modify, how the modify statement will work. Okay, here, right? Second record should be HALB. This is internal table records, okay, na? Modify second record, MTRT value to HALB. Using the modify statement on the internal table. Try this one. Try now only, okay, na? I'll give this one. December. If you want, I can copy paste the code also. Okay, copy paste the code also. Now do this task. Try to explore yourself. Question understood, right? There are 10 records. Whatever the number of records might be, you should modify only that record number what I said. In this, you should apply the modify statement. Modify will modify the record. Okay, na? Hello? Got question clear, right? What I'm asking?
Done. First, we have to read table into Mara
Correct, correct.
Index
Internet
code.
work area first. Correct, correct.
Index and then
Correct.
WA Mara dash mtag.
Yes, yes. Do it and then tell me.
And modified IT Mara W Mara.
Is
Done.
it modify and we should print and
Yes,
tell me?
yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Good, very good. That is the operation. Right here, if I go to here, right here, even I can put out this comment not required. Right? Now, what is the fifth record you are trying to change, right? What you should is go to here.
Second record, no?
What is the which record I said? Second record, huh?
Second, index 2.
No, that does not matter. No problem. So read table IT underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara index 2. Right? Now second record will come into the work area. Second record will come now into work area. Okay. Now what we should do is modify, right? Modify ID underscore Mara. Sorry. First you should assign the value. Work area underscore Mara F1 MTRT equal to what is that value set?
HLV.
HALV. Now
B.
modify
IT underscore.
IT underscore Mara from right or
From WMRA.
so what is the meaning of this line number 28?
We are modifying.
It
Internal
will
table
override.
framework area.
It will override the value available in right. It will override the value available in W underscore Mara to IT underscore Mara. Actually, should be better is index also. Anyway, it will, I think not required here. You specify subars equal to 0. Well, statement record is modified. Right, better is index S5 tags. So that you don't get that you are passing the position here. Put a breakpoint here. Stop. It's good. Right? Now what is going to become IT underscore Mara index 2 because you are this second record. Now what is MTRT ROH? ROH value you are modifying to HALB modified. Now this will reflect in the internal table record number position number 2 is tab X because tab X you are modifying here. Now if I go to IT underscore Mara, right now second record is modified here. MTRT is HALB. So modified. Clear? Hello? Okay. Now what we do is quickly we'll do this operation on the database custom table. One more simple flow we'll do. With that we have done a lot of things about the basics all complete. Now what we do is create one table here. ZMAH underscore Mara. Okay. What fields you need is MANDT, MTRT, MATKL, MANS. These fields. Got the point? S11. Both of you create this different table. First field should be primary key. Sorry, MATNR also. MAT. And from SC38, no SM30 required, nothing required here. It's SC38 ABAP program. Now should apply here, insert, update, modify, delete onto the your table, not standard tables. Get the point? Hello? Okay. Can you try? I'll go 20 minutes time. First create this table. Don't create any data element and all. Right? Create one new table like this. SC11. Maybe you can share the screen Adirazu. Maybe I think Parviz was not there earlier some time back. Maybe you can both of you can do parallel. I will be here only. show from the first step, beginning of the table how to create. Okay, na? Share your screen.
Me.
You can share the screen, right? Parvaz, you can do parallel. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Parvaz, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you do parallel, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ajraj, you share the screen and do it parallel. Slowly do it parallel. No, sorry, no problem. I'm here only. Table creation. Table creation show. Okay, na? If you want, I can show how to create the table quickly. You can do it parallelly. Right? If you go to here, right? Go to S11. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Right? Go to S11. Go to the table name. It would be in queue. Okay, no? If already given ZMH Mara, it won't accept. Click on create. Go to here. Material information table. Choose the delivery class here as master and transaction table. This does not matter now here. Go to fields. Go to here, view MA and DT. MA and DT. Right? MATNR. Same as the standard table. No need of any data element. MATNR. MATKL. MEINS. Here also MAT. KL. MEINS. Save it now. Check it here. Transport request. Go to technical settings. Practice here. Give this data class and size category. Click on save. Back. Check syntax. Activate. That's all. Now try to insert the data from the program. Think and try to it. Table I have done. Next step is create a program and update the data into this table. Using insert, update, use first insert statement. Think of how to do that. You are seeing my screen, right? This program, you should write right here. Right? For this, what you should declare? One internal table and one work area. right? In SC38. Data IT underscore Mara, type table of, you see my screen,
Yes, sir.
right? Work area underscore Mara, type ZMAX underscore Mara here. Then what will become is this two will become your internal, your table data type. Now here work area underscore Mara hyphen MATN are equal to material number 100. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MTRT is equal to raw material. If these values you can pass anything, raw material. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MATKL equal to 01. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MEIN is equal to K0. Right, insert ZMAH underscore Mara from WE underscore Mara. This is syntax. I'll give this one, you can follow this one. You are not seeing my screen, right?
It's visible, sir. Screen is visible.
My screen is visible, huh?
Yeah.
No, dude, I'll be here only. With this flow, we'll done the today class. Complete all insert, update, modify, delete. Done? Hello?
Sir, done.
Done, huh?
First,
Okay.
declare the WMRA and whatever type name,
Hmm.
table name, then IT Mara table type of table name.
Hmm.
Then insert table by insert table name from WMRA.
Hmm.
Then write record inserted. Then after that modify that table.
Insert is required. Modify not required. Insert
And then update.
into custom table. Right, and go to here. Go to executable program. Data. IT underscore Mara. Type table of query underscore type. Assign the value. Query underscore material. Material number 100. So query underscore Mara hyphen MTRT equal to raw material, for example. So query underscore Mara hyphen MATKL 01. So query underscore Mara hyphen MBA is In the single record, you don't need an internal table. You can write insert from work area underscore specify subars equal to 0. Write statement record file. Check syntax. Maybe I did a mistake in the spelling here. Go to here. Oh, MAT here now.
Oh, sir, you take MATNR.
Okay, I have not given MAT. MD I
MTAR.
have given. So I do MAT KL. I'll put this one comment. Okay, na? Right? Activate now. Execute. I'll put a breakpoint here. Or directly I can execute. Data record. Execute. Not found. Inserted. How do you know? Go to table S11. Click on display. Go to contents. Record is record. Here you can also generate a message, not that write statement. Else message. Okay. Can give like this. I'll give you the message. How do you generate a message? Message information.
Else insert failed.
I'll tell you. Message information. Message. Message I001. So you should declare one message class here. How to declare is go to SC 91 here. 91 for error message or any message messages. Click on create messages. Click on messages. Right? Maybe 01, right? I give 001. Record not inserted. So message class you should give here. Message -ID. Whatever the message class you created here. Right now I means information message. See how it behaves. Now if I again execute, this will select statement will fail or not. Think 1 minute. Select statement will fail or not. Again if I execute same record. Same record primary key will not allow, right? It will fail or not?
No.
It will fail, right? So insert statement will fail, right? Because same record will not insert, right? Activate here. Execute. Record not inserted. Right? Because already this value here. If you want this one, so you can change the text message here. Message I002. What is I002? Double click here. Double click here. It goes to message class. Go to here. Here you can go here. Record inserted successfully. Save it now. Back. Activate. Execute now. Huh? Got button set. I think I not change it, right? Now I'll change this one here. Now it will work or not? Because now unique key value primary key I am changing here. Execute. Record inserted successfully. How do you check it? Go to S11. Contents. 2 records. Okay. Can you try to practice yourself? Insert, update, modify, delete as well. Hello?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll do this one as a flow and then we'll stop. Wait 1-2 minutes. Insert, update, modify, delete. This is single record. Also single record. One more homework is insert into the custom table 10 records at a time using the internal table. This is also homework, okay? Na? Currently, what you have done is single record is going to update, but more than one record you can update using the internal table. Okay, this also gives homework.